What's the urgent way you want to talk to me about?
You can sit down, please.
Blessing, I work me there now.
I'm scared. I don't know how to say this because I don't know how you're going to take this.
You know you can talk to me about anything. Make it quick for me have word.
You sure you want here?
Talk to me and I'm not come already.
Alright. So, I'm pregnant and I don't know who the father be.
Blessing, they say you're pregnant.
Yes.
And you don't know who the father.
Because something happened 1 month ago, but I did scared to tell you because I never know where they are going to do or say.
What do you mean by something you never know?
Because 1 month ago, I did have one boyfriend and then...
You did have one what? Blessing, me disappointed. Me don't understand. Me don't understand when you tell me say you're pregnant and you don't know who did. How much person you sleep with?
Sis, it's not like that. Nothing like that. That's not what happened. This is what happened.
So your shoes?
I take it up. I must say I come skip my skip school, so I don't want it obvious.
Hold on a second, I forward. Bad charge.
Watch out, bad bro, I pray.
There man, watch out. Or end stay active or full up.
You have to tell you the truth, and I ain't active in a boy. You know me spread up your bed, me killer.
No man, that good man, cause watch out. It's a quick mission me depend right now. I can't wait so long. Yeah man, I feel me like a feel it. Right now you all in school uniform, so me just want this quicker now.
I mean man, at least that bad bro, you know, so me have a back and thing, but watch out now. You know how for me thing come down already now, me killer.
Oh go on, you want a piece of money?
Piece of money, I'm mad. I want a piece of she.
Alright, me go make you work.
No go make you work, brother, make you work.
Alright, me go make you work.
Alright,
Me go for you and for here, respect said we.
it's alright.
Alright, thanks for everything good, so come on. I can even take off your uniform, bro.
I take off your shoes and could take off your uniform. Right.
Hey man, alright.
You know, so I have something more to ask you though.
What that?
You love me?
Babe, what kind of question is that? I'm already telling you I love you.
Yeah, but me just need to prove that to me.
I already proved it by skipping school just to come look for you. I want to prove
I'm
that.
gonna be real with you. It's my birthday now, so said don't give me ends. But I want you and him do something, you know?
What?
Yeah. If
So,
you love me, just prove it to me.
I love you, big fit, sleep with your friend.
Yeah, remember saying it. I can't carry go on my yard, you know. You see me? And if we go a hotel of 15,000 that we have to pay, you know, and we get a little free ends. So, just do it, crime, because I don't tell him, so me will make it happen already.
I really don't want to do that.
We don't have no other choice.
Alright then.
I'm gonna link him. Bad dog. Here time, you know.
I wonder when you did that go down, you know?
That's the crime, man. Here.
But no, you never go let me down, you know, brother.
I mean, man, I want to link, man.
I go easy still for now.
Just live for a bus park and pay her for here.
Alright, no?
And I think me will reach back in time, because machine me I go still, but if you're not for me reach back, just do it for me.
Bro.
Alright.
Everything.
Yeah, man.
So your sis, that's what happened. We never do nothing willingly.
I'm not so at the end right now. I'm not depend on nobody's side, you know. But you agree to go out there. Yo, I'm confused. Since when you have a boyfriend? When you get time to get money, I bless it. I'm disappointed in you. You know where them live? I'm here to go. Which part him live?
It's like a ends. Me not really know if I'm yard or not.
You know the friend?
No, but
So we gonna find them.
me can't tell us here in.
What kind of trouble? What this blessing? What is? We have to get the police them involved. You have the boy number?
But he not answer my text or me call or nothing.
They know you remember the place you go to, right?
Yeah.
I can't believe you do this blessing. What gonna happen to your future?
I'm sorry.
What we are gonna do with one baby? Blessing, me have so many questions that you him at how much?
I'm at 20.
What do you mean 20? Him at 20? You know you know how much? So you tell me say you have a 20-year-old boyfriend we get you pregnant, you don't know where you live.
He did tell me say I'm friend yard.
So how we gonna find him? Cause it look like you don't know which part you go.
Me know which part me go.
Well, we are going yard now. We are going which part you did. We are go up there. We have to go give him a talk. Him know say pregnant?
Me not answer my text nor me call them.
So much things that go through my head right now. I'm confused. We don't understand. Well, either way, we have to go find this so-called boyfriend. We are going to him now. Walk fast, man.
Yo, remember they said look at them when they care come over, you don't?
Yeah, man.
You don't know, see I pay call him and call on my phone.
You don't answer him.
Answer way.
I make an answer him.
Yo, me can't take it tormentation, youth.
Well, mama, active enough. You tell her the truth, you know, she active.
That's why I'm not even all in and chatting with her to you.
See, a big true what happened.
No, brother, I'm not beg you, but a girl like her that can be my wife. Me can't
I say
mess.
they love you, girl, brother. Say a foolish, you say I tell me now.
But I did.
You change up on the girl already.
Can't have them the girl as no
You never
wife
love her, then,
material.
man. You never love her.
Yo, I'm not even want to talk about that neither, yeah, man.
Right, I said, then which one of them named Jeremy?
The one that know the brown shirt.
Even.
Oh, you know, carry a soldier sister for try intimidate, man?
Oh, yeah, nah, say. So now bad man.
No, sorry, nobody.
Make it for understand, say, one own, it's one the involved with her, right? And she pregnant, and I'm being a child get to.
Pregnant for who?
What?
Ease yourself when you talk to me. I'm come for rectify this. So if you can deal with it like adult, we deal with it like adult. She has 16, and you know that, right?
Oh, me not
You're not aware of that. Not true.
breed nobody.
You don't breed nobody.
Me not breed nobody.
Oh, you go. Come understand. Get to understand, say, you and I the involved. And you should come here too.
Yeah, me she come here too.
Mm-hmm.
We did know our relationship.
Okay. And now she pregnant. So how that all go?
But me don't know who. For your sister talk to other man out there, not me alone.
No, here one. I don't want you to play with me now, because I'm not coming upon a joke thing. You understand what I say? And I say it again, she's 16 and you're 20. She involved with a boat, you know. She's pregnant. Wanna talk up.
So what you want me to do? Because I don't know nothing about your sister pregnancy, you know. So right now, you better go make your sister drink some Pepsi and with rusty nail, here.
Don't play with me. You hear what I want the tone for the stand up to no responsibility until DNA can do. Because I told me I was responsible for this.
But me don't know nothing about no pregnancy.
What you mean by you don't know?
Me don't know nothing about no pregnancy.
Young man, did you have sex with the girl or not? Yes? Okay. Did you have sex with the young lady?
Yes.
And now she's pregnant and I want to responsible. And I say, we not go there until DNA can do. You understand what I say?
No
Or we're going to get the law involved.
Well,
So which route you want to take?
me not ready for no youth yet, you know.
Me not involved in this, you know. Me not involved in this.
Well, and we're
So
not
I
going
just
to push
get
it.
it sorted.
We are going to get it sorted out, man. We are get it sorted out. We are get it sorted out.
But we can't work out.
So your sister sure say, I wanna we get her pregnant, nobody outside never do nothing with her
A
neither.
joke you take this far, not
Stop it,
true.
because you know what happened.
A joke you take this far. You see, so you not understanding yourself, you know. You don't understand yourself, you not understand. Because all your sister say baby involved, you not ask me all kind of stupid question and act like say you're not responsible.
No say so, man.
So you try to tell me say I only 2 a week. She ever eat with it.
That no concern me, and that no concern none of you either. You know say you do something wrong. You there to say act like you are idiot.
Just allow it there, because we're not involved in it. But then do them, we're not
Oh, we're not involved in it. You manipulate the young lady into having sex with the both of you and know she's pregnant on the there to say laughing at my face.
So we will open
Here what we're going to do. We are going to get the law involved and then we're talk to them. Come in, have nothing more to say to you because you act like you have some people.
Yeah, man, don't know how to do it. Yeah, so we're there now.
We not grape nobody, you know.
Yeah, so we're there every day. We're not hard to find.
Me not grape nobody, you know, brother.
You don't know what them are dealing with you.
Question for nothing. When me know me not do. Tell her that.
Yes, good morning, ma'am, or squaddy, you know what I should call it. Anyway, I apologize for the humor. How can I help you?
So I have a little situation. My sister, who is 16, was sexually assaulted. Like a month ago, I just found out about it. I went to speak to the young man today and be attitude, him never did that. Tell me more here. Somebody said to me, I go put it in the law, because you know, if I go to him and him try to work out the situation, then maybe we would do the right here. However, she is pregnant and they're saying that they're not responsible for that. So that's what brings me here today.
Hold on, let me get this straight. She's 16
Right.
and she involved in not one but two partners,
Right.
which was consensual.
Yes, she went there willingly. The information that she gave me, she said that one of the men, she said that she was forced, but she went there willingly. She
went willingly, but she was
went willingly.
forced with another.
Right. I know she's pregnant and she's not sure which one of them
Is that right, young lady? All right, so hold on. If we take into consideration certain things, she's 16, right? I really don't like the law in that sense, but once something consensual, I mean, with that age, how old is it, the gentleman?
20.
20.
Right.
Both 20 are older, or?
The guy that is supposed to be a boyfriend, her boyfriend is 20. I'm not sure how old is the other young man, but I'm positive that he's older.
Oh, because what happened, you know? It happened at his place.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because as I said before, the consensual thing. Oh, the law, you know, the law provides sometimes a little loophole. I mean, if something like that happens at his house and stuff, you know, so, you know, there probably can be a little legal issues to it, or, yeah. I mean, she might have a case because of going to his house and stuff, you know, so, yeah, you think you might have a case there. But, young lady, I mean, in this day and age, there's so much precautionary measures, and you end up pregnant. How you let that happen to you? And especially your boyfriend, that is not a boyfriend, that's a monster. Huh? How it end up that you have, anyway, I won't get into that. But, I mean, it's something that has to be dealt with. I mean, that clearly, well, she's, I don't know, she's just at the part of the age. So.
What's the procedure?
Well, no, we're going to have to talk to those guys, you know, and stuff. You're going to have to
Is it possible to make an arrest?
Let me see now. I think we can deal with that, because what happens is that if the incident happened at his house, right, I think there's a loophole for that, which we can go on and proceed with an arrest and see if we can, you know, yeah, we can arrest them for that, because where it happened. Not because of the age or the consent, but where it happened.
Right.
All right, but, you know, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for coming, and I'm going to make sure I go deal with it right away still. What you guys do is just go to the front, and the lady at the front, just leave all the information there, and I'll have to follow right away. All right?
I appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Oi, boss, hey, no over wait, you know, me can't run. That's why me have this. Come here, man, come here. Sit down back there, sir. Come sit down, man. That's why me have this, you know. Come sit down, you sit down there, sir.
How we do, officer?
How we do?
What you do? Stay there, so. It's alright, man.
How we do?
No, sit down there, so, man. Because we know I'm not in danger, you know. Don't worry yourself, man. Because we're not a hardened criminal, we're not grapists. Alright, here what me now. Zane, we get report about it 2 hours now. Zane, and here what me. Stay away there, no move now.
We're not moving.
Alright, we're not going to come with me down a station right away. Come down, we're not going to come down.
We have so.
Eh? We not do not like that, you know.
We don't do nothing like that?
Do not like that.
No, man, you're not going to tell the judge that, man. You're not tell me that.
You tell the judge
You're
that.
not going to tell the judge, but have to go bring on down. Zane?
So
You understand? I mean, for what?
you don't tell what we do.
Alright. Alleged, but me have to go bring on down. A 16-year-old come here the other day. And the two of them have no way with her. And me know. Me get all information, so don't worry about that. Yo, my youth. Boss man. You. Me here say you're a girl, you know.
My girl?
Yes, and you really go make your friend have your way with your woman.
No, officer, nothing like that.
And never your girl.
Nothing like that.
So a female one then.
I don't feel no way.
I don't feel no. I lie.
Lie, them a tell Palmy.
Anyway.
You can't get locked up.
Alright, don't worry yourself, because me have to go bring on down.
So first me go get locked up, you know.
Well, listen to me. Anyway, me have to go bring on down. So, here we go, hold this. Put on that on your hand and put it on female hand.
Officer, you know,
There's a first in everything.
necessary, you know.
It's not necessary. So I'm going to bring it down. Listen, boss. Just put on the handcuff.
You just have put on the cuff so you would.
Listen to me, man.
Brother, they know.
Boss, man. You hear me?
Oh, come on.
Find the way, sir. So,
You can't do that.
go, sir. Now, guy Jeep. Go down. Look how cheap woman the palm bridge. And look here. Keep walking, man.
Yo, watch you know. Just make sure say you hold your mouth and go in there go chat nothing, you know.
Oh, brother, me good, brother. You make sure you no chat.
You mad man look like informer.
Brother, we know so when I see police, I shake you, brother.
I said that, brother.
By the way, they could tell me say I want a young girl, brother.
Me carry her for me, you know. Me never carry her for you, you know.
Brother, remember say no, me tan.
So you never see when she come there in a uniform.
Eh?
You never see when she come in a uniform. You never know say a school girl.
Think a big school girl.
No say so, man.
Brother, remember, you me me had good youth. You just come there, so brother. Say you want place. And look, you know, look where me there, down a station. Me never sign up for this, brother.
Me alone did you die in a trouble in a way just jump, you know. I mean, I know sharing business and you still say you want it.
Brother, right now, so you go in listen. Tell them say you need a call. And you go call your mother. Because you remember say your mother have money. So you have to call him.
I don't even know how my mother go feel about when he hear about this, you know.
Yo, call your mother, brother, as we reach around this.
Yo, concept lines. You see two grape and pull boy on the front, they sit up on the bench. Send them round there for me.
Yo, no say nothing, you know.
Nah,
Brother, if you say nothing, you may tell you.
Mommy,
Yeah.
mommy, me no want leave problem I know. They have me down a station. You can come over station, please.
What?
Yeah, mommy, me do over station. Yeah, maybe I have to carry some money.
What kind of problem you put yourself in now?
Mommy, when you come, me talk to you. Maybe I have to get
Jesus.
some money or something. Say try bail me or something.
Maybe me have to go get some money. Me already have money, but what kind of problem you put yourself in? I mean, not understand.
We can't talk on the phone. Just come over station, please. Make a police station.
Jesus Christ, Lord have mercy. All right. Eh?
Me and my friend, just come home.
Your friend come for bail you?
No, me and my friend there. They lock me up with him too.
I hope I know nobody thinks you no go thief, you know.
No, mommy, just come.
Kind of so me grow you.
Alright.
All right, me I come. Just Christ.
good afternoon. Anyone inside?
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon again. I have something very important to talk to you about. Can I come inside?
Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
So, who are you and what is this all about?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay. Uh-huh. So, um, give me a minute. I get to understand that my son is involved with your daughter. Oh no, your sister? Is it your sister?
Yes.
Okay, and I believe it's very serious, so I come to discuss this situation with you. If we can sort out this matter easy, like um talking to your sister about it, and I would like to offer some money towards the problem what take place. If you don't mind, I would like to help.
What do you mean by offer someone?
Okay, I know the problem what's going on because I heard about it. And I believe your sister talked to you about it.
Yes.
So the situation is very serious and I come to speak to you about it to see what we can do about it. To get my son.
Are you a part of the law?
No, but
So what do you mean by see what we can do about it?
because I need to get my son out of this problem.
I'm not follow.
You don't understand what I just
I
said to
don't
you?
understand what you're saying to me.
Okay. The problem is my son is involved with your sister. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Sexually
I know what-
intercourse. Problem. And I believe that maybe that's what I heard. She's pregnant. And if you don't mind, I would like to offer you guys some money to get rid of that child, to get my son out of that problem.
You would like to do it?
I would like to offer you some money, if you don't mind.
Clearly you don't come here as an adult. You come here as a child. Right? You're a child trapped in a adult body. Cause this way I said that make no sense. This doesn't sound like one adult to me. You don't sound like a mother. It's just like when you come here to protect your son as some here for the from sister too. This way I said that make no sense. You understand what I say? And as a matter of fact, blessing, come here. More to take a good look at this child. Look, 16-year-old, you know? 16-year-old. I struggle with PTSD because of your child. And you come here and tell me, so you want to do what?
What's your name again?
What's your name? Come even know who you in a
I already told you my name. My name is Sonia. Okay, we are not gonna argue about this. I come in peace and I want to leave
You're
in
not
peace.
coming in peace.
Listen.
You could have never come in peace and a talk, but you want to offer me money for that make this stay. You're mad.
She's a big girl. She understands life. She should have known before that whatever she have done, it is wrong before she even do it. You understand? My son is 20 years old.
I know more you said
She's
that again.
16.
No, said that way you said.
She's 16.
So what you
She
say again
understands
about
what
she's
she's doing.
If she is deep to understand all of them, look at something, you don't feel like say your son should have never do what him do.
So
Because
what-
he's a big man. How old is your son?
Pardon?
How old is your son?
I told you my son is 20. And your is it your daughter or your sister, whatever? Your sister, right? Your sister, at the age of 16, she should use her head more wisely and know that my son is older than her. Why should she go and do something that she shouldn't have get
Listen, go on.
involved
Because I
in?
don't want this earth anymore. No, listen. We are going to
You
talk
understand?
we are going to talk like two adults. You come
Why
here to talk
should
or
she go and involve in something that she shouldn't get involved in before she even think about it? She get it done? Well, I can see the problem right here and I can easily sort it out. You understand? I can stop this problem. If you don't mind, I can give you
Me
some.
gonna ask you for come out of my house. Done it right this so. Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
That's the way you learn to speak to people?
You're not respectable, so why me
That
gonna
you
give you
don't
respect?
even
Respect
know?
go where it come from. There's no way you're gonna tell me say your son at 20. You come in here for talk about justice. And you're gonna tell me about for job case because my sister at 16 and she should have never do what she do. Your son at 20, my big man. Come out of my house.
I can give you this for the start.
Take your money and come out. Come out of my house, woman. Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Me don't even know why me invite a complete stranger in my house in the first place. But because you're a big woman, me say me your way officer, but you're coming out with bullshit. Leave.
Anyway, I can see that you're a hoodlum. And I notice that you don't even use the money. You see why the poor always getting poorer every day and the rich will always be richer
A part of the law.
and richer and richer every day because the poor is not smart. Don't use your head wisely. That's why you people have to stay into this kind of situation and lifestyle every day. You don't want it? It's my money. I'll take it up. No problem. Only idiot and fools refuse money. I need it. You know what? Last but not least, I have something very, very important to do with this money. I rather to get a lawyer and pay the lawyer to get my son out of trouble than give it to you that don't even use the money. Stupid.
So me hear she had say some more money and fee. Something and me hear you say you don't want. So why you never take the money since member say me go need it?
Blessing, listen to me, man. If you don't stand up for something, you will fall for anything. We don't want them money. You forgot to me at work.
Yes, sis, but
No, you listen
Yes,
to
sir,
me. Listen to me. Blessing, listen to me. Enough time me talk to you. Only per time we ball together. Me sit down and me reason with you. You're supposed to know wrong from right. Me not try justify nothing because you're wrong. You should have never go down there in the first
but
place.
it's true. Me so naive. Him just take control of me.
And that's why I'm there by your side. That's why I'm there for you. I'm forever there for you. We don't need them money. We don't need them money. Except she did come here. Except she did come here as an adult and I try to reason with me. But she come here with her mind make up like she actually know what she want. She try to buy out the situation. You would have comfortable to take that money, blessing? No, we don't want them. Me never ask them. I tell you, we don't want their money. We will figure it out. They need for go. They need for their jail.
So sis, we will go on the board the baby. Remember, say me not even know which one of them do it, you know.
Me, we will figure out some everything are gonna be alright. Just go and go like that. Me sometimes to my head. Just blessing, don't worry yourself. Forgot this, you know.
Alright, sis.
Yes, hello. I'm Miss Sonia. I'm the person who get the call from the station.
Oh, you're pertaining. Oh, okay. To the young man that's been arrested?
Yes, that is my son.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so what?
Okay, I come to talk to you seriously about that matter.
Oh, pertaining to the one of the young man that's been.
That is
Oh,
my son.
okay. All right, so where you come to look for him?
I want to talk to you about my son. It is very serious. My son is not a criminal. And the information that I get about my son, about this girlfriend that he had, the girl is 16 years old.
Right.
My son is 20. I think the girl do not have any crutches control. She give away her front freely to my son, and then she go and spread the news that my son raped her.
No, but listen to me. Let me tell you. Actually, the facts and what I have gathered is not only him, but somebody else. And plus, the residence, his residence happened. So that's where the problem lies.
I understand.
Right.
That is the reason why I said She's 16-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
Is it 17 or 16?
16. She's
16 years old.
Right.
She have the consent of doing that.
Right.
And she's supposed to use her head. Why did she go to two persons at the same time? Now she's pregnant and she don't know who is the right person.
Yeah.
So I'm here to talk to you seriously about it. Hello,
No,
officer.
yeah. Listen to me. Listen to me. Whatever you say now, it don't make sense. Because listen, this is as like what you call it, alleged rape. You understand? It's not say him one, but more than his friend. I mean, listen. You come look for him or what is it? What do you want?
I need to talk to you very privately. Is anybody around there? Because
No, I'm in the office here alone. What happened?
Okay. I know you see me now. You never saw me before.
Right.
And I'm a wealthy person. I can give you a lot of money, if you don't mind, to get my son out, because my son is not a criminal. And I do not want my son name to spread all over the place that he grape anybody.
Listen to me. Say actually, you are talking about your wealth. Did you know what bribe is a thing too, Because what you're saying to me right now, it's only like bribe. You understand?
I'm not bribing you. Officer, pardon me. If I disrespect you by bribing you, I just know that money answereth all things.
Oh, I hear you.
And the only person do not need money right now is the dead. And I know you are alive. And
What terminology?
We all do need money
Anyway,
to spend.
what are you saying? Just talk to me. What exactly? Just get to the point. What exactly?
I can give you some money to let out my son, because I don't want my son in this place. This place is not for my son.
You can't get what money you can give me to get.
Don't worry about it. But I don't want to do this to let you get in any trouble, because there's a
camera there, but it's not working anyway. What you say? No, anyway, let me just
right,
start.
hang on.
Well, I want to know where you can really come with anyway, so and stuff. Wait. Oh,
You just told me that.
oh man. I mean, Miss, what's your name again?
Sonia.
Sonia, all right. Miss Sonia, I don't know if I can do anything for you and stuff, but hold on a sec there. Your son, all right. No, boy, me can't do nothing for help your son, A weekend, man, hard. I think forget him out, We have to put more on that, man.
No problem.
No, man,
I can give you more on it.
Yeah, man, a weekend, man, over there. I can't help you, ma'am. No, I'm so sorry. I can't help you.
Okay.
All right. Anyway, I can't help with that matter. So, sorry for wasting your time and sorry for wasting mine also. So, anyway, I'll have a nice day.
Okay. What's your name again?
Don't worry about me. Don't worry yourself. It's Officer Dibble. Officer Dibble.
So my son is coming out today. Okay, make sure.
All right. Sorry, ma'am. Can't help you.
Thank you very much.
All right. Cool.
Jeremy,
Yes,
I'm so disappointed in you. You want to bring disgrace and shame in the family? This grape argument is not good enough. It not sound good noon tall. Remember, you come from a wealthy family. You're wealthy. You don't need of nothing more than a good, decent girl. Why you go and take up those butterfoot, underprivileged, low-class girl? They're in no class to you. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying, Mommy. I'm really sorry about that.
What is the problem? Look how many girls out there on the street. Beautiful girls, ambitious girls, educated girls. Girls that work even on the plane. You have girls who do pilot work. Why you don't look one of those girls that have pride and ambition?
Mommy, sometimes people just make wrong decisions in their life.
First, when I go to these people's house, as I reach at the gate, I feel so ashamed. when I see the zinc fence. You don't grow up that way. And you don't used to those kind of things. I don't know why the reason you go and take up somebody like that. And then your friend. I don't understand about your friend. Look how much money I have to spend for your friend and also you. But because I'm a mother, I could never pay the money just for you. I have to pay it for your friend too. Because I know your friend would feel so bad know that I left him inside there and let you come outside. So I didn't want the stress on him. Hello, what is your name?
Me?
What is your name, sir?
Trey.
Trey. And you and my son is friend.
Yeah.
Please be careful next time. Did you guys use protection? No, because the girl get pregnant. See, you can't, none of you can't answer. None of you use protection. Why? Now the girl got pregnant and she do not know who is the daddy. And I'm not ready for any grandchild. Mark my words and read my lips. The next time you put yourself in something serious like this, you're going to get yourself out. Do not call me. You understand?
That's all.
You, where's your parent?
No, so
Because you seems like you're not working. The both of you are the same age, right?
Yeah.
20. And you involved in such a thing like this? Did you put my son in this problem? Or is you calling in it?
I know say I am come to me though if you tell her truth.
Huh?
I am come to me.
My son called you in this problem.
Mm.
So you're inveigled with the devil's spirit now. You need to stop. You understand? You need to
Yes,
stop.
ma'am.
Because the next time, there's no pity for you. And you're going to sleep in this cell and have experience of how evil people that do great things like you and your friend, how they have to experience the punishment that the government have to give them.
It not happen again.
It not happen again.
We
You
not
sure?
Yeah, we're sure.
Okay.
Not make it happen. We can't promise that.
And you know the reason why I try to pay so much money for you to take you out of that cell?
Right.
Because I didn't want to leave you at the station. That your friend gone out and leave you in there. And he already knew that you don't have any money to get yourself out of there. You understand? And anyway, you need to get out of the bus now and go to your home. And I don't want to see you and my son anymore as no friend. You can go now. Get outside. You can go now.
Sir, you can't lift me up.
No. The type of clothes that you had on, I don't want you inside my bus. I just didn't want you to feel that bad when I take you from the police station. So you can get out now and go.
Alright.
Get out. I don't need to carry people like you in my
Mommy,
bus.
why you deal with him?
Huh?
Why you deal with him?
Why me I deal with him so?
Friend, you know?
He's your friend.
Sure.
I knew.
Oh.
But as from today, this friendship is over between you and him. You don't need to keep these low class,
Thanks,
class
sir.
people for your friend.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, you're welcome. You can go.
Judge,
Let's
sir.
go. I'm ready.
Whoa. How you doing?
Well, I've been better. So I came to ask what's going on with the case because you not give me no update.
Oh, you didn't receive a call from the front? You didn't get...
I did not receive a call.
I apologize sincerely. I gave you some, wrong information pertaining to that case. And
Well, they didn't give me any information at all.
no, what we came here, I told you that because of the whole situation, which
Right.
yeah, that was totally out of what actually the law is. I'm really sorry, but we have no grounds, and we could not detain those young men. We had to let them go. So I was way above my head by telling you that, you have a class. So we had to let them go. It was very, 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 as soon as I came in, I had to let them go. I'm sorry to misleading you guys and stuff, but, it just, on my part, I apologize, but I have to let them go.
So as it relates to she being pregnant at 16 and the young men being 20 and none of them now take responsibility for it, there's nothing the law can do.
That's what I said. I don't like it. It sounds that way because she's 16. I think I should put it to 18. But I mean, that's what the law states. When you're 16, it's consensual and stuff. And she going to the house and first she got a double. But I mean, you really need to do is talk to your sister, man. I mean, young lady, You should know better than that, man.
No. She's going through a lot right now. You don't understand that?
She went
As a
through.
police officer,
She
you
was
should
enjoying
know
what she
this.
was going through. I mean, look at what she reached. Look here. You need to guide this
If
young
you
lady.
don't have anything related to the case as it relates to arresting those men, do not say anything. Because this now make no sense to me. What do you mean by you can't make one arrest and the man them wrong?
And she not your hand, right? So you should.
It's okay. We'll take out this matter somewhere else. Get a blessing.
Because you're a soldier, you feel
No,
like
you don't worry about that. You don't worry about that.
I mean, look at the younger boy, she manage at one. Should know better.
Blessing. Listen, I understand say yeah, I got you a lot, but me I tell me I got fix it, me I gonna make everything better.
Sis, you should have just take the money.
Take money from who?
From the lady because you're not here with the police.
Me stop it right there, so me tell her so we don't need our money. Me a work.
Sis, listen to what me say. Me feel like say you should have just take the money because based on how the man just change up everything, me feel like saying just come bribe him and just make him drop the case. Because remember that should have tell me, you know. So just look into it and most that should do, sis.
Well, either way, we don't need our money. We don't need our money. We don't need our money. We will figure it out. And as a matter of fact, go on. Me go start with something. No, me start with something. Miss Sonia.
Hello?
Evening.
Evening, you can come.
Evening again. I mean, even want to come at your door and come now you're telling a lie problem. Right? So after you try to buy me out with you for me drop the case again, say, look at dirty son. You go down at the station, go pay them off, make them drop the case? Just because you have money? Eh? As a big woman, why you would have do that? You don't feel like, oh, your son do wrong? Eh? I come in a peace now, but from me reach here, gate, peace of anger just take over me. Why you would have do this? You're wicked. For your mother, you should have never think for do that. The little girl at earth. She didn't your son and I in a relationship, right? She go in me at willingly. Where them do the wrong? Where them do wrong? And you take up money, go down a station, go ask them for job case? You don't feel like this one justice?
Why
you
you
big man?
Oi. Yes, when you come in a me yard,
I'm not come here do it now.
you better stay out there, so. And don't step another foot. No make one next step. Because first of all, you come in a me yard with your little dirty attitude and so you address people. Listen to me. Why you don't talk to your little nasty looking sister? We are walking and keep more than one man and know who get her pregnant. I want to stuck it on my son.
Since when she keep more than one man?
You don't know that.
Since when she keep more than one man?
You don't know that.
Last time I check your son and her alone did I miss around.
So
and at that time I'm confused as to why would I take things to the next level and do him do and make you look a girl at earth. I don't confused about it and as a mother you should have said that wrong.
You look like she hurt at you.
Of course me hurt. Of course me feel away. With sense about all the adults would feel away about that. You see the situation where we in? You see the situation where we in? Your son at 20. My sister is 16 years old. Just get 16. Fresh girl who don't believe in that situation here. And you think it funny. You think it funny?
Me look like me I laugh to you. Your sister is 16. She should have known her age and take her book at school. What she do with my son?
What your son do with young girl?
Eh?
What your son?
But my son is not old.
Listen, let me say, come in
so where you want my son to pick up?
I just want to talk to you. I can't stop her from a boyfriend, you know. I cannot stop her. The most I can do is encourage her. What your son do is wrong. He wrong on so many levels and you try to justify the situation.
Where you try
to justify this. What you mean me come
where
talk to you?
I understand
why you do this. You don't feel like your son deserves for the jail?
No.
Why? No, my sister got you therapy and all kind of things.
Oi, you remember say me come to you and your sister and tell you if you drop the case?
The blood of Jesus against you.
Against
the blood
you
of
and your
Jesus
sister we can't keep we underneath this so quiet.
You know, but
because she don't have no control over that. My son never hold her down. If she never say yes, it wouldn't happen. And me offer no money. Listen, as friend today, you need to get this in your head. Money walk and bullshit talk. Shut up.
What you say?
You're deaf.
All right, Miss Sonia. You see, if you feel like say I say it for go, I say it for go. Risk me kid.
I see him so it ago. Cause me did half found the money and tell you if you drop the case and you never want to drop it. And if you feel say you have more right in this more than me, I mean money alone me I take and beat you. Go on where I go.
Hey boy, get up. No.
What me do?
Me never tell you to play with me.
What me not do
Me
now?
never tell you to play with me. Eh? I the wrong family I mess with. I come to you peacefully and I try to talk to you, eat that friend, and I joke out the thing. No, hear what I want you.
No, you know,
Shut up. Your time for talk done. Me not give you time for talk already. Me not give you time for talk already.
Oh, me do.
Hear what I want you do now. Me gonna make you make a call. You gonna call the that friend and make him forward. Cause you told me I deal with you now.
Police let me
Told me stop the talking. You ready for make a call? Now listen, this is the procedure, right? You gonna call him, you gonna make him know say you have a big body girl wait for him. You understand that? You understand?
Yeah,
Cool. What him name?
Hmm?
What him save as?
Bro. We should do this, man. Yeah, gonna let me go.
Don't talk to me.
Yeah, bro. There, dog, get up on that ends, you know. Watch it now. I'm a big body girl for me, G. Eating, bro. Yeah, man, me I tell you, bro. Nicer than the one we can come. No.
Make it quick. Tell him you're gonna send him the location. Quick.
Yo, just forward, bro. I send a location. No, sir, no young. Older than for you one.
Alright, no problem then.
Yeah, man, I send a location. Just, yo, forward fast, yeah? Ah, bro.
Don't talk to me. Me go show you. Me go show you so enough to play with woman.
Me not believe no play with it. Me not play with the sister, you know. You know, see, she give me willingly. I mean, I know what you look like some Regina link him.
You feel like me somebody to play with, not true. You feel like me somebody to play. Me not tell you to shut up. Me not say shut up. Go on talk no. Go on talk.
Yo, we coming like you start already, brother. Can you not even have no shirt?
To start, yeah? And you will wait until if you move, me put a hole in you. Move now. Run. Run now. Bust up. Move. Don't play with me. What do you mean you tell him to run? Me not tell him to play with me. Sit down. Sit down there, sir. Go side of him. Walk fast. Don't play with me. No, the two of you understand the magnitude of the crime you commit.
So we go do it
Do
with.
not talk unless me give you permission to talk. You understand what I say?
Don't talk.
You understand?
Dog,
Boy,
you
shut
set
up.
me up.
You just say
Can't
what me
believe you
holding
do
a
that,
man.
man. No
You understand
say
what me
so, man.
holding a man? Shut up. No, listen, me go on your phone, your mother. You understand? Take out your phone.
What she say?
Do not talk. Me nah tell you again. Me nah tell you again. Shut up. Hurry up.
Moment me get kidnapped.
Hey boy, don't play with me. Hello?
You couldn't talk faster.
No, listen. Me no plan for hurt them, you know. Me no plan for do them nothing. You understand? But if you no push me to the limit, me go dash them when you not see your son again. Don't look for me. No, here what? Me gonna make your son and him friend confess, and you are gonna go down a station and make them know say you pay off the police and for dash your case. You understand what me say?
We don't do nothing.
You understand? Me I talk to you, boy? You understand what me say clearly, right? Alright. Hey boy.
Can't get.
Oh, you are ramp with?
me.
Oh, shut up. Who you ramp with? You idiot? You don't understand what me holding in my hand. I will put a hole in your neck. Do not play with me. On time. Not a word. Faster, you know, man. Do not talk to me. I'm not play.
Oi.
Hear what me I go do. And make sure someone listen. Me I go make a video and me I send it at the station. You understand? You understand? Come in a plan for everything, you know.
Video
But that's
put
make
you
you
down.
understand say on enough to play with people girl pitney. You understand what me I say?
No do that, no.
No, smile. What me say, boy?
Smile.
Hear what I want you to do now. Uno I go confess right now on the camera. Ready? Everything I want to do to her. Go in the details. I want everything. Start talk.
Oh, go say, officer.
Him go first.
Me ask her that? Me say give details I want to do to my sister. I want to hear everything and me go squeeze this. Don't play with me.
Officer, we did great part and we're willing to face the consequences.
Eh,
Hey boy, what you do?
We
What you do? Talk.
we grape her. We willing to face the consequences.
Smile.
You
Uno happy. Smile. Uno play stupid games and win stupid prizes.
Thank you to come. I was waiting on you. I swear. I'm so happy you're here. Yes. As you're aware that they rearrest my son.
Yep, some here.
Jesus. And remember that I gave you some money already to let him come out.
We may do that, you know.
Yes, but now my mind told me to give you some more money so you can just dash with the case. I won't even say throw it away. Just dash with the case completely.
Wait. Hold on. Let me just calm down. Let me get this thing straight. At least let me explain to you what. All right. I let him out.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest with you, what you want me to do, it can't work because that gonna bigger heads way over my head and a problem for me that if me I go try to take up that the case a problem. I can't do it like that. That way above my head. That gone bigger up. You understand what I mean?
Mr. Dibble.
Dibble. Yeah, anyway, my name is Vassal. I'm sorry, I mean to tell you the name, but Vassal. Alright.
I can't afford for my son to sleep in cell for how many months or years. It is not possible. I know I can give you some money and you get him out of there. And you know what? I get to understand that is that little witch, old soldier girl, pushing this thing, and force my son to say something that he did not want to say.
I know that still, but I don't know how the part of it, but I cannot get him out. I can't help you.
No, listen. I can give you more money to get rid of that little old-looking soldier girl because she's the problem.
Wait. You want me to get rid of the girl? I probably want to put me in a... You want me...
You can do it under discreet. Nobody don't know what you do.
No,
Unless you're going to talk,
no,
because I am not going to say anything.
Take time. Why more anybody here where you say? What? That what you have bring across to me. It
No,
can't
listen.
be very
If
hard.
it's money you want,
No, man,
I can give you money.
listen to me.
I can give you so much money. Look,
What?
I can give you a lot of money and more. I have more where this came from. So if you need more, I can give you more money. Just make up your mind. Look, I can give you a lot of money. Look, see, money. And if you need more, I can get more from where it come from. Just dirt her. Because
Well,
she's the problem and then my son can come
Yeah, no
out.
man, just take that, no man, take time talk, take time. Let me see if we can record that something, yeah, boy.
Listen to me, Mr. Dibble.
Please.
I don't want no if and but in this thing, you know. I need you to make up your mind
Just
to
say-
dirt that girl. Because that soldier
take
girl
time-
is the
Just
problem.
take time talk, no, just take, me not say me not go do that.
Right
Just-
now, my son is in cell and
listen,
comfortable.
Just take time talk now. Wait, man. Let me see this, sir. Let me see how will it more this come from.
Where that come from? Anywhere you see this come from. That may mean if you don't understand me. I said where it come from,
Alright,
there's a lot more there.
Wait. Alright, this is a deposit. May I forgot to talk a little more. You give me the exact details and everything or whatever. But
Yes.
this,
Yes.
listen to me, man. Yeah, more in there. Just give me.
No. Deposit.
All right. But
That if you do the job. When
Listen
you
to me.
complete the job,
Yeah.
now you're on a mission. You need to complete it and come back to me.
All right.
I want evidence. I want to see it.
All right,
Say,
all right.
you're dirt her.
Well, listen
And
to
then
me.
me give you more money.
Keep yourself quiet. All right. Me and you will talk. All right. We don't even. I should even have this number. I don't know what yourself. All right. So. Me and you will talk. That's all me can tell.
Listen, get rid of her.
Fine. But listen to me. Zip. All right.
Make first say you zip
Don't
it.
worry yourself.
You don't say anything to none of your other co-worker
You're
then.
not stupid. We're not stupid.
Okay.
Don't move. Do not move. Turn around. Are you look at what you do me yard?
Wait.
What you do me yard?
wait.
Stop,
No.
stutter and talk fast.
Yeah, me no man. We get a call say one break in one house. I hit me come check pan.
You get a
understand?
call so break
Yeah,
my
so-
yard.
Eh? Me never know your yard. So I just get a call say I break in. What long you gonna just stand down. Just look here, man. It's a call me get say I break in and I hit me come check pan. You understand what I mean?
Hey boy, put on your name, coward.
No man,
Eh?
that's a school now.
Who's sending me yard?
Look here, man. Me not tell you what already, man. Say that call me get, man. That call me get.
Hey boy, you know see a corrupt for big man? You know see a corrupt?
Wait. Don't hold on. Just calm down. Now. Just calm
Take
down.
one step and me squeeze it.
No, man, me nah move. That's why I say just calm down, man. Me nah move. Yo, at 7 feet me have, you know.
Talk fast. What else
As-
if you need me?
No, me don't want you to kill me. At 7 feet me have.
You have a daughter?
Yes,
If
yes.
your daughter the guard the station gonna make a report and somebody pay off on a police them for drop the case, you would do?
Just,
What you would do? Looking at me and tell me you would do.
just,
What you would do?
just hear me out, no, man.
And me ask the question again. What you would do?
Me probably would have the same thing what you do.
Right. And you tell me someone to shoot you in your knee?
No, me I
Here what I want you do. You see anything what Sonia send and you come give me want you carry it back go give you. You hear me tell you?
Yeah. Anything you say. Me I beg you, do.
Move.
Me have my kids.
Move.
Me have my kids.
Yeah, okay. All right.
No.
Give me a minute. I'll call you back. That was quick, man. You complete the job.
Miss Sonia, look here, man. I want suicide. Miss Sonia send me pan.
What you mean? You was planning to kill yourself?
Kill myself? Look here, man. Me not ready for that yet, you know. You know, say I want mad soldier girl send me go deal with. Eh?
Mr. Dibble, what are you trying to say to me?
Mad woman that a Rambo style training that woman I get. How are you, man? I'm a man, I said, yo, that woman is dangerous, you know.
Oh God, what are you trying to say? That you did not complete the mission? Look at your size.
Look at me, size now,
Your
not
height.
she have. And fair training. Me not up to them party. I'm a man. Look, oh God, you know, say a lucky thing me the right as I talk to you right now. Eh? I bet you go say me now one cage with 10 pitbull and go deal with she. Jesus, please, no, sir. Lucky right as I talk to you. Remember me tell you that. It work no complete, it no do. Me no want to go back go do none of them something there again. That's it. Me no want to face that again. Me think I want easy sitting, man. But no, man.
Okay.
You're mad.
Okay, I'll get somebody else to do it, but
Well, yeah, what you do?
you need to give me back my money.
What?
The work has not done. I need back my money right now. Else.
Else what? But you know say he deposit now have no return. You never know that. When you deposit money for something.
Hello, Mr. Dibble. Me and you did not sign any contract not to give me back my deposit. You did not get the work done, so I need my money back right now.
Well,
Else, I'm going to send somebody for you instead. I gave you a work to complete, and the mission is not complete.
hold on.
Now you're telling me that you almost kill yourself, like I send you on a suicidal thing?
Listen to yourself. You know what you just say? A church you sent to me, you know. A big church you sent with me. You know what? Have a nice day. You and your son, me know that I go. Or whatever. Have a nice day. You come talk about return money and send threat. Hold on with you. I'm not coming on them something for you again, man.
Mr. Dibble, that is not a threat. It's a promise, and I meant every word that I've said to you. Hello?
So, Miss Sonia, I was thinking, what if we just walk away and just drop this?
That means we can make a final decision, and I can give you even more money than what I did go give you before. What you say about that?
Nah, me a come for you. Do not run, do not move. Don't make no sudden move, else I'm gonna shoot you. Now listen, I know everything what you do. I know say you bribe the police, them and I'm gonna make a video of you confessing say you do that. You understand me? You understand? Cool. Start talk.
You know, say, this shouldn't reach so far. Because I never take the money. And you know, say you need it, because soldier not get no heap of money. So you could have just take it and done. And I still have it. If you want it, I can give it to you.
Yeah, what we gonna do? We're gonna run this again. I'm gonna say it again. Me make sure you understand this time. I'm gonna make a video of you confessing. You understand me? I say, do not play with me. You see, no man? Me squeeze this. Do not play with me. I'll eat that police boy the way you said. Me should have just put a shot in him. You know what I'm with? Start talk.
What you want me to talk, say? I don't know where you
You're gonna start by saying how much you guard the station and bribe the police officer to drop the
we can't
case.
say that, then we kill me. We can't say that.
Start talk. You hear me say?
I'm not going to get in trouble if I say that.
Me say start talk.
All right. If the policeman get the money,
What the policeman name? What the policeman name?
Lucifer. So me not
Me a stutter.
me no want get in a trouble if call nobody.
That have nothing to do. Me I got jail anyways now. Start talk, you waste my time. No, put on your hand, what do you?
His name
Put on your
Lucifer.
hand.
Lucifer his name, Lucifer.
You idiot? Put it back your hand and see.
Oh.
Who name Lucifer?
The police.
A joke you take me for the true. A joke you take me for.
A Lucifer his name.
The policeman name Mr. Devil.
Eh?
The woman you take me for joking. Sonia. Sonia. Me will squeeze this. This is not tie.
Alright. Me go talk. I am willing to take any punishment that the law is going to give to me for what I have done. I know it's wrong.
What did you do?
Me bribe the police by giving them money if you not lock up my son.
What the policeman name?
What me tell you say
When
Lucifer, you say devil. I see him thing.
What the policeman name?
Must say devil, please.
What you name?
Me name Sonia.
Alright. Where you live? Cause them all come for you now.
Grand Spin.
Why you feel like me a somebody for play with?
Me not play there.
You come in on my house and you disrespect me and make it go on. You got the station, you bribe the
I
police.
not disrespect
Do
you.
not talk when me a talk. You got the station, you bribe the little idiot boy if you drop the case and him drop the case, you walk around like say, you're good somebody. You want me to squeeze this? You're a very appalling woman, and a people like you, mothers like you, make the society can't get better. Or if you uphold the son for do them kind of slackness here, you should have sit down with the son and make you know say what you do wrong. But no, you make you reach in the line, you go bribe the police and for drop the case. You know who me? You don't know who me?
No,
You want me show you?
I don't want to know you. No.
Move.
Which one is it?
Move. Go so.
I'm glad me trust you cause everything I turn out pretty much alright.
You just started, oh, you know, I have a father prison, but me there feel.
Well, that's at least. So I know say me have everything going be alright. That's all. So that's all that matters. Cause you have to hear from me, so I don't need nobody else.
I promise you're not gonna make you and I the baby hungry.
But still,
Back.
I'm tired, you know.
Do walking good for you. Man, tell me care about up step make you walk again. Come on.
Yeah, but I want you to teach me certain things because I know some really want to. So,
Teach you certain things out.
like, basic stuff.
Right.
But the baby and stuff, like when me go through when me I go have the baby, things when me I go buy and, you know.
Well, there's not much of me can say because we don't have a youth.
But
But,
you're going to have more knowledge, right?
well, we can go home and read up on it and learn together because we still need to learn too. So,
Okay, then.
but no worry yourself, because I get there no matter what. Like I said, this is a learning process for the both of you and we're going to get through it. You know, a lot of single mothers out there, you don't really need a father, but it's sad to the baby. Now I got to have a daddy. But me there for you, no matter what.